Alrighty, so back over here with our Troy bilt. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this sparkulator in here for us. You can see she had a champion in there. I went down there to the old Tractor Supply. Picked us up the same thing, if you look here. Now, you can put some anti-seize on here. It's preferred, but I'm out. And it's just a lawnmower, so, I mean, it's not a car or anything like that. It's pretty rare that these things get stuck like that. Don't want to overdo it either when you tighten it down. About a quarter turn past. A quarter turn past this, the end is really where you want to be with it. Real dirty there, that guy. Real dirty. Got us a brand new air filter. Briggs & Stratton. Got us a new blade. Troy bilt. And I don't know if you guys know this or not, but you do not have to sharpen these blades. When you buy them, just like this, there's a coating of paint along the edge. That paint comes off in the first couple cuts, and after that, the sharp edge is revealed. So you do not need to sharpen these blades. If you want to sharpen one after a long time, go ahead, but they're relatively cheap, so I don't see why you wouldn't just replace it, especially on something like this. I think, what do we got here? $30, no big deal.